Muite cóide, Tásúla gom go bhfuil sibh go maith. Is mis a cáit an tá mé mo chonaí I rasmach. Tá brón orm mar níl mo gael go mac a lór, agus beag mé ag labhart béarla sa video. Tásúla gom go manaigh sibh tána bhas. Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Today I'm going to introduce you to some simple meditation and relaxation techniques. And these practices can be used at any time or any place. And they will help with emotional and mental well-being. So it's best if we do these practices together so you can get to experience them. So if you can find somewhere comfortable and maybe some space for 10 minutes, we can begin. So the first practice is a breathing practice. And you're going to inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. So just gently close your eyes and inhale and exhale. Just your normal breathing pattern. Just observe your normal breath and how it is for you right now. Inhaling and exhaling. And maybe the breath is a little shallow, so we're going to deepen the breath. And we're going to inhale and expand into the chest area. So inhale and expanding the chest muscles, and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And now we'll deepen that practice and we'll move down into your abdomen. So inhale down into the abdomen and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And we're going to extend this now by inhaling for the count of 3 and exhaling for the count of 3. So inhale, 1, 2, 3, amach, 1, 2, 3. So it's jock, 1, 2, 3, amach, 1, 2, 3. And you can feel your abdomen area expanding when you breathe deeply into this area. So we'll just do a few more of these deep breaths. So breathing in for the count of 3 and exhaling for the count of 3. So inhale ishtak, 1, 2, 3, and amach, 1, 2, 3. And a few more now in your own time. And we're going to just let that practice go now and just come back to your normal breath. And move in to a relaxation where we're going to go through the whole body and relax the different parts of the body. So become aware of your feet and just gently wiggle your toes for a few minutes, for moments. And now allow them to relax. So now allow your feet to relax. And bring your attention to your ankles allowing your ankles to relax, and your calf muscles and your shins, and moving up into your knees. So allowing all these areas of your legs to just relax and rest. And now move up into your thigh muscles, front and back, and into your hips. And allow this area to rest. Moving up into the abdomen and up into the stomach and the solar plexus. And in this area we can hold a lot of anxiety and emotion. So with the exhalation, just allow that area to soften and release. And now moving up into the chest region. Just notice how the muscles in the chest are. And just allow them to soften and relax. Now come down to the lower back and the middle of the back and the upper back. And just allow this whole area to soften and relax and to feel supported by the chair. And now coming up into your shoulders, allowing your shoulders to drop down. Again, another area where we hold a lot of tension. So allow them to drop down. And move on down your upper arms, elbows, lower arms, into your wrists and your hands and your fingers. Allowing all this area to just soften and relax. Now come back to the shoulders again and come up around your front of your neck and the back of your neck, moving up into your chin, your mouth, your jaws. And the jaw area is another area of tension. So just notice and allow it to soften and relax. And now move into your cheekbones and your eyes and your ears and your eyebrows and your forehead and up into the crown of your head, allowing all the muscles in this area to just soften and release, and move around the back of your head and moving inside the head into the brain, allowing the different lobes of the brain to soften and relax. And the more we do these practices, we develop the frontal lobes of the brain, and this is for executive functioning. It will help us to make more empowered decisions. And now just gently scan your own system from top to toe, and if there's any area which is still tight or holding tension, just bring your attention there, and with the exhalation allow it to soften and relax. And we're going to move now. Let the body just sit or lie in total relaxation. And just observe how your emotional body is, how you're feeling right now. And you're just bringing awareness. You're just observing. You're just witnessing. And allow that to Just let it go and move into your mind, mental body, and observe your thoughts. Observe if your mind is busy or relaxed. And if there's lots of thoughts, just let them float by like clouds in the sky. You're just witnessing your thoughts. Just let them float by like clouds in the sky. Now letting this go, we're going to move into the heart area and do a short meditation. So bring your awareness to your heart region and imagine there's a light in the center of your heart. And this light is drawing your attention inward. And you're just going to focus on this light within your own heart for a few minutes. And if your mind wanders off in different directions, just gently bring it back to the light in the heart. You just allow it to settle there. You don't need to stress or strain. Just gently staying with the light in the heart. Just gently stay with this, the light within your own heart. Just gently returning to the light in the heart. And now you can just gently expand that light out into the room, and into your house, your family, and out into your neighborhood. And this simple heart practice, if practiced daily, can create heart resonance, bring harmony into your lives. So gently now coming back into your room, just feel the seat. Just notice your surroundings, and just slowly and gently, when you're ready, you can open your eyes. So these are just some simple practices that you can practice every day. And if you want any more information, you can contact me. My contact details will be in the notes below. And so I hope you enjoy that, and look forward to meeting up at some stage. Okay, thank you. Slán.